Good morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. We have had such a busy Monday morning here, you guys. It has been like such a mad dash like ever since I got out of bed. I made my coffee at 9:30. It's now 11:45 and I haven't even had a sip yet. Cold. Whatever, I don't care. I thought this morning it would be fun to walk you through my skincare routine right now because I feel like it's been a little while since I've talked to you about it. Not a ton has changed, but a few little things here or there, so figured I would show you. I've really been getting back into using my Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner. This is really good, and I really did notice a difference when I was using it consistently, so I'm trying to get back into this. And I literally just like put it into my hand and put it on my face. Got some groceries on the way. That was one of the things I took care of this morning, as well as just like paying all of our bills and making sure that all of that was taken care of, just like some real housekeeping stuff. And then things have just been busy at work all morning as well with my client. I haven't even like opened my to-do list yet today, and I've been nonstop, so I'm a little scared to take a look at what I had put on there for myself today. I've really been trying to improve like the brightness of my skin as well recently, so I've been using the Ole, I always say Ole Henriksen, but I actually think it is Ole. I have to get better into the habit of saying it the correct way. So what I've been doing a lot is taking like a pump of that on the back of my hand and adding a pump or two of my Drunk Elephant hydration serum, because I'm always trying to get more hydration into my skin. Just dry overall. And I just mix those two together and get them on my face. And obviously also layer them. I don't know, I just like mixing them, but either way is fine. And then I go in with a moisturizer, and we're gonna leave it at that for today. I think I'm gonna use, yeah, actually let's just stick with the vitamin C. Another Ole Henriksen product here. Also, I wanted to give you guys a little update on these star patches. So I did use them a few times on a couple little zits that popped up, and I have to be honest, I did not see a huge difference in like the look or size of the little spots on my face, which I am very sad to say because I heard great things and they are so cute, but like typically when I use an acne patch, I can like see when I take the patch off all the shit it pulled out of my skin, and there is nothing like that on top of not really noticing a difference. So I was sort of like a little disappointed. I am still gonna try their under eye patch, so maybe we'll do that later today or something and see if there's another product from them that is up my alley. That's it for the skin, really. I'm gonna throw some glossierbalm.com on. I've been out of my Lord Jones CBD lip balm for so long now, and they've been sold out, but they are finally back in stock, so I got a new one out to me today, so that's excellent because I love it so much. I also wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about my hair. If you missed my last vlog, I did sort of a new technique on my hair. Basically, while I was in the shower, I put the conditioner in my hair and didn't rinse it out. I also did not like towel dry my hair at all, not even with a microfiber towel. It took so long for my hair to dry, which is funny because my hair dries so fast, you guys. Like instantly my hair will dry. It's actually crazy, but it took forever, which was sort of the point because I wanted to try to keep a lot of moisture in my hair. And I think it worked pretty well. I don't love the results as much as I loved after I used that hair mask that I did, so I think I'm gonna do that again a little later this week, that mask. In particular, these lower layers that are almost totally grown out are looking pretty good, I think. So pretty pleased about that. It was also funny, I was just looking at my hair today as I was sort of trying to determine whether I liked that technique or not, which by the way I did. Overall, I did like the results, but let me just pin this top layer up that has the straight hair. Okay. Maybe we'll spin that backwards. Okay. But it is so funny, the different curls that I have in my hair. Like, let me pull my mirror closer so I can find the different ones to show you. This side of my hair is pretty uniform. Like, they're mostly these sort of kinky waves like this. There aren't too many that sort of change from that. There are a few like this one. Hold on, let's see. This hair is sort of crazy. Like, it sort of goes like in a weird random shape at the end there, but for the most part that side is pretty good. But this side gets crazy, you guys, which I think part of the reason why this side of my hair always looks longer than this side, which as you can see is happening here. And I think it's because the curl pattern on this side is so weird and different than this curl pattern, which is crazy, that's a thing. But like, I have so many curls on this side that go into like proper like curly cues. Like this, hold on, I have to be able to show you guys this. That is a full-on curl, not a wave. Like, what is happening there with this curl? It's like so, I don't know, it's crazy. And the top part is a normal wave, and then it goes into this like weird curl at the end. And I have so many of those over here. Same with this one, that's like a little curl there. And there's tons of them over here. Here's another. My hair is so fucking weird. My curls are just not normal. So anyway, I feel like this has been a really long first clip of this vlog, so my apologies, just rambling on and on and on and on and on. So as I said, we ordered some groceries, so I'll probably check in with you guys when they get here and I'll show you some of the goodies that we got. Groceries are here, and a mistake was made by me. I ordered a 15-pound bag of cat food and underestimated how big 15 pounds was. I mean, it's like the size of my body. It's just my torso, the size.
Probably nice to say.
Interesting, very, very interesting stuff here. So, Molly will not be hungry ever again. Moral of this story.
Right.
I don't think we got anything else like really exciting for groceries.
Lettuce.
A lot of the huge
Solid stuff. Peppers. Avocado.
avocados. Got another giant box of goldfish, because this is where we're at now.
Yep, we're a goldfish family.
Another fun thing that I got is this Borzen cheese, which is so freaking good. This is the garlic and fine herbs one. I don't know if there is different ones. I don't know if there are different flavors, but that's what this one is. And I'm so excited to dive into this. It's so yummy. Okay, lunch today is a side of this lemon pasta salad from Trader Joe's, which is so good, and a little turkey sandwich.
Yeah.
Love it, it looks so yummy. Myself and Connor and I can take lunch at the same time. Doesn't happen every day, but like a couple times a week it'll line up that way, and it's always so nice just to take a little break together. We went to the beach yesterday and Connor still had his vaccine band-aid on, and now I'm just making jokes about how he's just trying to like flex about how he got the vaccine by having like it permanently on his skin.
Vaccinated and proud.
That's right. You wanna watch an Arrested Development?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. You're so relaxing, kitty. Right here with me. Missy. Hi. I love you. Oh. Oh, little kisses. Thank you. I love you. So I know you guys are often curious to know a little bit more about my freelance stuff and what I do, and I try to share that every once in a while. There's not always tons of stuff really to share or specifics, but I'm working on this one particular project. It's something that I do a lot, and it's something that I love to do, so I thought it would be sort of fun to share a little bit with you. I'm just going to sort of explain what I'm doing, and then I'll do a little time lapse of me actually doing it so that you can see it come from beginning to end. For one of my clients, Quantum Energy Squares, they do email blasts every other week, and it leads to blog posts. And so I like to create Instagram stories that push to those same blog posts on our page. So we have a graphic designer who does all of the email work for us. So basically what I do is I go in and I take the architecture from her email that she puts together and sort of rework it into an Instagram story, something that will work really well for social. So let me show you. So this one in particular is habits that are zapping your energy. And as you can see, we have the full email here, what it will look like once it gets sent out. So I like to pull this into Photoshop. Here we are. I turn it into an Instagram story. So I'm basically trying to figure out what I want to do with this. I'm a little conflicted whether I want like each of these to be their own slide or if I want them to all be in one slide. I don't really know. I'm thinking one slide only because there's not that much info on each of them. Like, I can't just have a slide that just says dehydration, you know? So that's what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking there's gonna be like an intro slide, there's gonna be a slide with the habits, and then a slide that pushes to the blog post. So I'm about to start playing around with this, and I will show you guys the finished product when I'm done. show you the deal with this. So this took me about 25 to 30 minutes to put together, and here is slide number 1, and I added a little animation to it, which makes like a little zapping move. That way there's a little bit of movement on that one. So that's that. And then slide number 2 just has the habits on here. Very simple right now, but I'm gonna add a little GIFs in Instagram to add like a little bit of movement to this page. And then the very last one just has the swipe up to our blog post with 2 of the bars. Simple, easy to consume content, and look at this cat. Like, is somebody looking for attention? You're posing very interestingly, Molly Cat. You want a little belly scratch? She's so goofy. Anyway, there you have it. That's one of the little things that I do. So I still have 1 or 2 more little Photoshop projects that I want to finish up, but I really don't mind when I'm working in Photoshop because I find it very fun. So I'm just gonna keep plugging away at this. This cat will do anything to snuggle when she feels like snuggling. She's all curled in here and Mama's still working away. Time to get a workout in here, you guys. As you can see, move this bench out of the way. Molly Cat's just chilling with me. But just wanted to clear a little bit of space here to do a workout, and I'm going to do cardio today, so I'm not going to film it because I never do cardio. And I hate cardio so much, but I know that it's an important part of working out, so I'm trying to like incorporate it at least once a week, depending on how many days a week I'm working out. I'll make myself go for it. It just has to be done, you know? So it's fine. We're gonna do that. And workout number 1 for the week is going. My goal for this week is to get 4 workouts in. It's Monday, so you know we gotta set those goals. Comment your goal down below, or if you don't have a goal, comment something that you're looking forward to, whichever works best for you. And anyway, we're gonna see how this goes. I'm trying to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday workouts. And we're done. And we have the crotch sweat stains to prove it. Also like my butt. Anyone else's butt sweats so much when they work out? Mine totally does. Sorry if that's TMI. Anyway, it was a tough workout, but it was also really good. And I found this new YouTuber whose workout videos I'd never done before. I was looking for something new, and I gotta show you her because I loved her. Okay, her name is Vicky Justiz, and I did one of her cardio videos and then a low impact workout from her as well. That way I was doing a high impact and a low impact. I really enjoyed her workouts. I liked her too because she didn't act like, I don't know, like what she was doing was easy or anything. Like she was also struggling or would like stop for a second in the middle of a rep, and it just felt sort of like real to me. So I really appreciate that. Really enjoyed her workout, so I'm definitely gonna be doing more of those. Dare I say it made me almost enjoy cardio. Almost. I wouldn't go that far, but almost. We are clean, we are happy, we are in our boyfriend's sweatshirt, you know, like everything is good. But really quick, before I dive into some Sims, because Connor's been gaming for hours out there, I'm very jealous. I wanted to show you guys this body wash that I am obsessed with. Shall we go into the shower together? Here we go. And we're in. So it is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian for Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. I'm gonna try to find a link to this and link it down below for you guys because it is everything. It makes my skin feel so moisturized and lovely, which is like always amazing. Let me get out of the shower. Makes my skin feel amazing. It smells 10 out of 10. If you guys are familiar with Bum Bum Cream, it smells just like that, which is another one of their products that I'm obsessed with. It just is so good. It's not like moisturizing enough that I don't need to moisturize my legs when I get out of the shower, but I definitely notice a huge difference. Like it's not stripping moisture out of my skin. It's definitely adding moisture. I just am so dry, just dried and shriveled up that my skin needs more. Speaking of, let's put a little bit of skincare on and then go relax for a little while. I'm tired. Totally forgot that we said this morning that we would try the Starface pore strips. I actually think I said that they were eye patches because I thought that they were, but they're not. They're pore strips. So let's give these a go. Why not, right? We've been talking about products like this whole vlog, so let's just keep it up. Explore the constellation of gunk extracted from your pores. Ooh, I cannot wait. And look at how cute. Their products really are perfectly branded. I really, really like them. Okay, let me just go wet my nose. Nose is wet, my camera is dying, so let's get through this. Okay, look at this look on my face. I will check in with you guys when I'm done. And we're back 15 minutes later. Let's pull pull this off. Guys, there's just nothing. Like there's one little thing there. Listen, I've seen a lot of people say good things about these products. Maybe they're just not for me and maybe they will work for you. So try at your own discretion. Anyway, that's fine. Connor and I are going to make some dinner now. And I think we're gonna have spring rolls for dinner. We haven't had spring rolls in a while. I've really been craving them. And since we just got groceries today, it's a perfect time. Oh yeah, spring rolls coming up. We got the shrimp, ramen, bell pepper, cucumber, a little bit of carrot left, and these are going to be amazing. All right, spring rolls are complete. They are going to be so good. Made my usual little sauce that goes with it, and I'm very excited. What should we watch? Should we finish Formula One? We only have one episode.
I think we should.
Just wrap her up. I'm sad for it to be over though. So good.